provide and protect your kid. If he doesn't do that, you're not really going to look at him as a man. Now, does this man have authority to discipline your kids?
I would call my baby daddy and he will be getting his ass beat.
It's a Mr. Show. Thanks for logging in. You done know.
I'm sure you can see that me starting to show up.
Show up. What me don't know, say if it's a big, you got big.
He needs some milk.
All right, check it out. Keep it locked right here. It's a Mr. Show. Let's go.
Complaining about me being the same person that you married. We've been together for 10 years, and for 10 years, I've been the same man. And it's like you're trying to mold me into this fantasy man that you want me to be, who you can talk to and treat any kind of way, yet demand to be treated like a queen with the utmost respect. It's like if you want to be treated like a queen, maybe you should start acting like one. Because I'm only human. Eventually, I'm going to give you the same energy that you give me. But it's like you want me to be this person who I've never been. And the crazy thing is, I've accepted that I'm never going to have a woman that wakes up at 4 in the morning and packs my lunch. I've accepted that I'm never going to come home to a home-cooked meal and a woman that serves me a plate in a clean house. So why can't you accept that I'm a great father, I'm a good provider, and I'm a decent husband? I'm not perfect, and I never will be.
Only in the...
All right, that's a message. And ladies, I mean, appreciate a good man, yo. Try your best, you know. You have brothers, you have family, you have uncles. So appreciate yourself. A good man. So, yo, check out how this girl gives away the game, yo.
For a night?
Yeah.
A whole night?
Yeah, for a night.
I'd do a whole night for 2,000.
2,000?
The initial question, obviously.
Right.
Only in the...
How much for a night?
For a night?
Yeah.
A whole night?
Yeah, for a night.
I'd do a whole night for 2,000.
2,000?
Yeah. Should I do more?
That's how expensive it is around here?
You think that's expensive?
Yeah.
I charge $500 an hour, so a whole night, that's a discount.
Oh, I meant like hotel prices. Like how much is a night for the hotels?
Oh, that just get myself up, bro. Well, damn.
Yeah.
What you thought I was talking about?
I don't know.
Freak!
The big giveaway.
This is horrible.
All right, so ever went to a family function and you know you pack up your food at the end of the family function and then by the time you're ready to leave, guess what? Somebody took your food. Check this out, Corinne.
Somebody take my plate with me eat of food. I mean, me have stew peas, me have pork, me have cake in it. And me appreciate it for the boss. Bring it back. I'll put it back on the table and get it from. Me now go mad for the tea fit because of food. Because of my food.
Yo, shout out to Corinne. She's speaking for all of us, yo. One more time.
Corinne. Somebody take my plate with me eat of food. I mean, me have stew peas, me have pork, me have cake in it. And me appreciate it for the dust. Bring it back. I'll put it back on the table and get it from. Me now go mad for the tea fit because of food.
Oh, gosh.
My food, and me mad.
Shout out to Corinne. Now, ladies, you meet a new man and he's coming into your life and you hold back the child. You don't introduce the child right away. After time, you decide so you're going to introduce the man to your child. Get together in a relationship. You're living together. Maybe even have a young child and he's growing that child. Does he have the ability, the right to discipline that child?
I think that any man that's in the dating world that thinks that a woman with children is baggage shouldn't be dating. And I think that that's an insult to motherhood. And
How is it insulting? If you're a single mother dating a man with no kids, at some point you are expecting this man to provide and protect your kid. If he doesn't do that, you're not really going to look at him as a man. Now, does this man have authority to discipline your kids?
I would call my baby daddy and he will be getting his ass beat.
Okay, so
Because you're not touching my son. You're my...
You hear that? Provide for him, take care of him, grow him, influence him, show him the way around things. But yo, don't you dare.
You sound like a pussy boy.
boyfriend. He like that's just not gonna happen. No. That's my child.
The part that's crazy is you can't see that another man has to take on all of this responsibility, but he doesn't have the same authority as the man that you're not even with.
That's his business, and that's what he does.
So
And when,
this is
when
why it's an L. Responsibility without authority is essentially slavery, and it's like 2 against 1. This nigga come home walking on eggshells. Oh, Dean, I gotta please her and please this little bad, little nasty, little gremlin looking kid. Dad, I gotta please both of y'all. He's in the ultimate form of simpery.
Yo, shout out to No Fugazi podcast, yo. All right, so this brethren, Jamaican, of course, as you see the flag. Yo, I'm one of these guys too. If I'm with somebody, I don't want nobody talk to her, and she not fear talk to nobody. She's not supposed to really be all up in everybody's face and looking up in people's face and things. Be very reserved, girlfriend. It's not me alone. Check this out.
Look at my woman still in me. No, sir. My friend them is not her friend them. Exactly. Me I tell you that. No. Me I tell you, if me ever see all my friend I talk to all my woman too close, me I pray her. Yeah, no see him so what they me I pray her if you say yo, me I got do her something or nothing, you know. Me no want to know say even evening or no, alright, buddy, yeah. No, me I overdo it. Listen, man. Yeah, no, even evening crazy.
Yo, my boy. Him say him not even want him girl to say good evening. Right? Out of respect, she should say good evening. But he's saying, nah, man, keep quiet. Don't say nothing at all, girlfriend.
One thing, when I run friend joke with my woman still in me. No, sir. My friend them is not her friend them. Exactly. Me I tell you that. No. Me I tell you, if me ever see all my friend I talk to all my woman too close, me I pray her. Yeah, no see him so what they me I pray her if you say yo, me I got do her something or nothing, you know. Me no want to know say even evening or no, alright, buddy, yeah. No, me I overdo it. Listen, man. Yeah, no. Even crazy. No, bro. Sir, she not evening crazy, bro. That is manners, bro. That is manners.
Man say yo, the evening king crazy, bro.
Manners, nah, if you say nothing, bro. Just go through everything good. She don't know him don't know she. You see me I say? Good. I just say that. Me don't want to know your friend them neither. You know say what they
Who do you think? Check this out. Do you think he needs milk or you think he's straight with his talk, yo? I like it.
Oh, one of my dog them I tell him about oh my woman he look good at carnival. And that's why because him I tell her evening and morning. And that's how it start from
We don't weigh this much. You can go to Soul Train in 1970 and see what y'all used to look like.
Okay, shout out to the Godfather. The lead I say anymore, Kevin Samuels, saying that the ladies nowadays are in the same weight category as a linebacker.
We don't weigh this much. You can go to Soul Train in 1970 and see what y'all used to look like.
I don't look my weight, but I understand what you're saying.
You can't make it up. See? This is what Shahrazad Ali has been saying. Black women have been shielded from the consequences, accountability, and everything else. It's a different culture. It's this and that. Your body is not meant to be your weight at your height. That's why you are fat where you shouldn't be. This is the only time in history where the poor people weigh more than the rich people.
Oh, God. Yeah, that's why you gotta love Kevin Samuels. Rest in peace, brother. And that's why the haters hate him. He's talking facts.
So what about your boyfriend?
All right, looks like a one-night stand gone bad because now she's coming back saying that she's got one in the oven. Now he's trying to figure out, is he the only one? He's trying to figure out, is anybody else slapping off our things? Let's go.
I don't have one.
You can't tell me anything. I don't know nothing about you.
We can do a fraternity test.
Paternity.
As soon as the baby come, we take a DNA sample.
DNA.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, hear me, lady. This jacket is not my size. It nah go fit.
So you
for anyone that doesn't understand the Jamaican lingua, a jacket means that, you know, she had a baby for somebody else. It's trying to pin it on somebody else.
Hey, yo.
Let's go.
So what about your boyfriend?
I don't have one.
You can't tell me anything. I don't know nothing about you.
We can do a fraternity test.
Paternity.
As soon as the baby come, we take a DNA sample.
DNA.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, hear me, lady. This jacket is not my size. It nah go fit.
So you won't be living up to your responsibility?
Which responsibility? You do this to man, After I don't even know if nothing do you.
I is already having morning sicknesses. I'm sure you can see that me starting to show.
Sure. But me don't know say if it's a big you got big. I run near me over and I'm supposed I crave your damn crave.
Yo, this guy is cold.
Don't be living up to your responsibility.
Which responsibility? What do this woman, man? After I don't even know if nothing do you.
I is already having morning sicknesses. I'm sure you can see that me starting to show.
Sure. But me don't know say if it's a big you got big. I run near me over and I'm supposed I crave your damn crave.
You're saying you don't want this child?
Oh gosh.
Scary.
Oh gosh. All right, let's open up the 304 vault. The 304 vault is officially open.
To say, I would have like 10 to 15 guys come in and out within one day, not even knowing who's gonna come in. Sometimes I would have a girlfriend sit in the bathtub and hide, and we would switch off. Or I would book a room next to one of my girls, and we would do like a secret kind of knock, like code thing, just in case. But yeah.
How many bad situations do you have?
I would say 4.
Right. Hey.
All right, so you meet a girl walking on the street. We call her the streetwalker. You decide to take the risk to see if she has a price. And guess what? She's got a price.
Yeah.
But she doesn't anticipate what you're paying for.
Hey.
Hey, how much do you charge?
200.
What all do you do?
Anything you want.
You wash my car?
What the fuck? I don't wash cars.
Why'd you break your heart?
I don't do religion.
Okay. Of any sort?
No, I'm spiritual. Yeah, but not religious.
Okay. Is he someone that's your type? Why? What makes him not your type?
Height.
Okay.
Man, shout out to the short kings out there. This lady's over 70 years old, and she's over damn picky. Shout out to all the short kings out there right now about height.
So you want a taller, a little tall.
Yes.
Is she someone that's your type? She could be.
Have you ever had a 3? No, but this tried to get me to have a and I was not.
All right.
Not in.
She was not having it. So girl on the far right, she's saying that her friend in the middle trying to get her to have a foursome. Yo, there's an old saying in Jamaica like it goes, show me your company and I tell you who you are.
Fucking with these 2 dudes, and like we both fucked with them, so it was like, we both snapped them, we both hung out with them, whatever. They were both hot as fuck. I was like, we're going to their house this weekend, why don't I get one first, the main one that I was fucking with, and then you get the main one you was fucking with, and then we swap and see who was better at what, like rate each other. But she wasn't into that, so I was totally out. We were gonna have together, it was gonna swap the guys. That's what I wanted to do.
You completely forget.
Oh boy. When men go through a breakup, we take it harder than the average person, harder than women, So this guy's going through the breakup and the song comes on and he just loses it. Listen to this.
About the breakup, then this music bring you back to reality.
And see who was better at what, like rate each other. But she wasn't into that, so I was totally out.
Yo, this guy lost it.
It was gonna swap the guys. That's what I wanted to do.
You completely forget about the breakup, then this music bring you back to reality.
Oh my God. He couldn't take it. All right, this guy's mean. Yo, mean mofo, yo. He's mean.
I'm 30 and just didn't get an attraction going. That's all.
So is she a type? Why?
To be honest, I don't even like white women. You know what I'm saying? And no, you're not my type. You're not my type because you're not my type. Okay. And then you said, I'm not attractive. Like, I am attractive.
Not attracted to
I'm not attracted. You're not attracted to me.
Yeah.
I'm not attracted to you either.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah. You got stuff in your nose.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Only in the mind of a woman could it be that
I can disrespect you, but you better not say nothing back to me. I have noticed this pattern since I was a child. Anytime a woman, be it if she arguing with a man, if it's a woman arguing with another woman, if it's an older woman arguing with a younger woman, if they disrespect you, they want you to take it. But if you don't take it, somehow, some way, that is disrespectful. Even though they initiated the disrespect. That is a crazy, crazy way to live life. That's a crazy way to live life.
Hi, I'm Sadi. I'm 26. I popped initially just on the walk-in, just my opinion. The initial attraction is not there. I think as we've gone through the line, it shows that he also lacks emotional intelligence and also just, I don't know. I don't want to say he's not articulate, but I think the way that we are articulating ourselves, he's not hearing what we're saying. I think you're taking him as personal digs. Yeah, I also don't like that you disrespected the other women. I think that when you are being rejected, your body language, your energy is pretty dark, and that's pretty scary to me. So I would like to, yeah, thank you.
All right, Joe. So is she your type? Why not?
To be honest, you not my type, man. You too tall, man, to be honest.
I love that.
You know what I'm saying? I like somebody like Crystal Heights. She cool.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't know, man. Y'all, I don't know, man. You not my type, man. Then you got a wedding ring on your toes.
It's a toe ring.
I never seen
He
that
does. He
before.
has on Supreme socks
Yeah,
with
duh,
A-Sex. He got
duh,
drawstring shorts and a Prada shirt that is a size and a half too small. Take your sunglasses off. Why you can't make eye contact with the women?
Why
you
gotta
got a
take my
bottom
glasses
girl in? Never mind. Let me stop.
See,
Go ahead.
This ain't no. This supposed. I'm supposed to be finding some love, but I guess I can't
With
find.
that attitude, babe.
I guess I can't
You won't
find no
find it with
love
that
because you
attitude.
y'all keep popping my balloon
Because
and
you
not
have a
even letting me
horrible
talk.
attitude.
It is what it is. I
Okay.
don't like you. You don't like me.
We all made that.
Okay, all right,
sure
all
of
right.
that
No
to
more,
let you
no more. I don't have nothing else.
What possible argument could a woman have towards asking you to get a paternity test other than it makes her feel bad? Give me a single argument other than because it makes me feel bad. I want to hear it.
But why would you want to make her feel bad?
So that's I feel bad.
If you're worried that she'd be cheating on you, why would you even want to?
So that's I feel bad. It's I feel bad.
Saying clearly we don't have a strong foundation. Sorry.
That's I feel bad.
No, it's not. It's saying we don't have a strong foundation.
Why would that matter if it didn't make one of them feel bad?
Because she could say like if we don't have a strong foundation of trust and faith.
Because it makes her
no,
feel
she
bad.
could feel neutral about it and still be like, oh, okay,
so
he
if
doesn't
she
trust
so
me.
wait a second,
And
she
maybe
feels
he's
neutral.
maybe he's gonna be constantly.
If she
anxious
feels
this whole
neutral about it,
relationship.
if she feels neutral about it, then who cares?
What is your favorite position?
Ooh, I love doggy. Put me in doggy position. Put me in the back. I love that shit. I let a man piss on me last week.
Okay.
You want to hear about it?
Yes.
Okay, so I sat in the toilet, legs spread, out, and then he pissed on my pussy, and then he banged me, and it's everywhere.
All right, so, ooh, okay, we got a pop right here. Why did we end up popping our balloon?
Just aesthetically, you don't bring like the panache, the showmanship I look for like in a woman.
So
just
what's
like
that?
I do. Like when I walk anywhere I go, like, you know, people notice me. People notice how I look, how I dress, how I move. I just want someone with the same energy. And I'm not saying you don't have it.
Okay,
Just,
so I was like, I definitely get
thing.
main
It's not the
character
same-
because I never walked in a room and I was not, attention was not on me. So that was a little surprising.
Stink. If I ask you to go on a date, just know date means at the end, okay?
Let me move over. What does that say? Date at the end, the date. 2025, yo.
So if I ask you to go on a date, I'm getting dick at the end, okay? Okay. You jack.
There's your jacket.
Hey! Stop that! Oh my god. Oh my god.
I like to comment that get the fuck out of here. Oh, there. There's your fucking comment.
Tell me, you gonna get a job?
No, that is my job.
You're gonna play video games. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
Watch these aggressive crash outs, but the last stat will leave you speechless.
Mama money.
Yo, ma, ya to.
Okay, that was cool. Because we all love video games, but we just get fed up when everything else gets put off in life. For you to sit there and play a video game, bro.
Are you really Jamaican?
All right, M. Dot. I've always known him from the UK, but you know, he says some things that puts him into trouble. So M. Dot gets called out. That's what I should have called this.
Bro, you need to hear what him say.
What did he say?
All right, I'm from the UK, bro. I've been gone to Jamaica for like.
Oh shit, nigga, are you Jamaican?
Listen, move your bumper clout. Don't try this,
man.
Listen, be a badness.
Whoa!
What you say?
Oh.
So what you say? What, Kingston downtown? Forward the love lane, poster wall. You can't come on my bumper club here.
Bumbuckler, Jamaica. Speak
out
Spanish talk.
Which way you come from?
Spanish talk,
Which way you
Jamaica.
come from?
You see me?
Posty.
Me a real original bad man, hear that?
Posty, where you come from?
Not own it.
Which part?
Not own it, you come go like say,
bro,
you're Jamaican.
I be a fuck
you say you are Jamaican, dandada.
Which part you come from? Which part you come from?
Which part you from, bro?
Which part you come from, Posty?
See that? This don't mean nothing.
Bro, you keep talking that shit. You're just talking. You're
not Jamaican. Original Jamaican.
Now you don't know no patois. Now a real Jamaican here now, you don't know no patois.
Yo, me never said I was Jamaican. You're talking shit.
No, you did.
Brother, you can't hold on. Your blood clot done.
Blood clot.
You're done, brother. Shut up, fam.
Pon the river.
Shut up. Yo, me tell yourself from the UK. You fucking dunce, fam.
Hold on, me brother.
Dunce.
Hold on.
I be a you.
Hold on, me brother. You said you from Kingston, Jamaica, bro. Where you from, man? You told me you from Jamaica, brother.
Kingston.
You from Kingston. He said Kingston, Jamaica.
You just said whoever you have to be Jamaican to smoke, so I just panicked.
When you see the celebrities or stars actually age this rapidly, this is attributed to them no longer having access to adrenochrome, okay? Adrenochrome is typically extracted from the 33rd vertebrae or the left eye, and it's typically taken from all right? I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. This is something that the deletes do and why is so prevalent amongst these nefarious draconian beings, all right? And again, at this point in time, he no longer has access to this adrenochrome supply. We are in a time of karmic retribution, okay? The sun is exposing everything, all right? All of the deletes that actually have been...
Yo, this is deep. This is deep. And that youth drug is real. And, you know, like, know where your kids are. Know exactly where all your kids are at all times.
From the 33rd vertebrae or the left eye, and it's typically taken from... All right, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. This is something that the deletes do and why is so prevalent amongst these nefarious draconian beings, all right? And again, at this point in time, he no longer has access to this adrenochrome supply. We are in a time of karmic retribution, okay? The sun is exposing everything, all right? All of the deletes that actually have been doing a lot of nefarious things in the shadows are now about to be exposed. This is the age of Aquarius. What that means is that the flow of new information is pouring in and everything's about to be revealed. This is adrenochrome, okay? And it's pretty much adrenaline in a bottle, basically. What it does is it helps these deletes to keep their youth, to keep their vitality, to stay youthful. A lot of them look very young because of this substance right here. And when they extract the adrenochrome, they do it when they are in the highest state of fear. This is when they want to extract adrenochrome, because that's when the adrenaline is most potent, all right? And again, they extract it from the 33rd vertebrae or the left eye. And a lot of these celebrities are using this on a consistent basis. Some of your favorite celebrities that you call beautiful and think have the best health regimen plan are actually utilizing adrenochrome.
So, excuse me, sir, run! Go, it's not funny! Get! Someone's gonna